And how to replace the key for a 2004 Mazda rx8. What you'll need is your key fob, key, something just similar size to open up, a pin, and a 2025 battery. So now what you want to do is you want to insert your key or some hydraulic in the end of your key, in the hole, and twist it and prise it open. Now you have your battery in here. Now, what you want to do is you want to put your pin in this hole at the top. Bring the battery out towards the top of the key. Nice simple, make sure you put the right battery back. Slide it in, make sure it's firm, doesn't drop out. Place the fob back and you're done. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching.